Welcome. Today we're going to be making some cocktails with Esquimalt Wine Company's line of vermouths. They're a vermouthery based here in Victoria, BC, and have an absolutely amazing lineup of locally made vermouths. First up, we've got the dry vermouth, which is our shining star today in this cocktail video. Next up, we have a really classic Italian-inspired Rosso or sweet vermouth. And finally, Quina Rouge, which is the first quina made in Canada since World War II. Today, the star of the show is the Esquimalt dry vermouth. We're going to make a classic gin martini. So first up, we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of the Esquimalt dry. And then for gins, whatever your favorite gin is, please use it. Today we're using the classic Tanqueray 10, really juniper forward London dry, which just makes a really good martini. Do 1.5 ounces of that. So really it's 2-to-1 gin and vermouth. So we're gonna do a little ice. Stir this down. Now there's a fine line between chill and dilution for your martini. And really, again, the martini is one of the most personal preference cocktails I think I've ever encountered in my career. So we're gonna put down the napkin, our beautiful Nicanora glass. We're gonna strain that off. As I said, when it comes to garnishes, same rule of thumb. Everybody has their preference. Olives, onions, lemon twist, orange twist, grapefruit twist, whatever you like. I'm going to classic lemon twist. I think it really ties in well with the gin and the Esquimalt Wine Company's dry vermouth. Nice lemon twist over the top. We drop that in, and that is a classic gin martini using the Esquimalt Wine Company's dry vermouth.